Welcome to Dasuha English channel. Let's learn more and increase the strength of our vocabulary. Formal English and informal English. The following are some examples of formal English vocabulary and their informal equivalents, along with sample sentences. Let's get started. In English, in formal situations we say apologize, and in formal circumstances we say sorry. See examples of formal and informal as follows. Formal: I apologize for the mistake I made in the report. Informal: I'm sorry for the mistake I made in the report. You can create your own example as a practice. Next. Informal we say request. In informal we say ask for. For example, informal we say, I kindly request your assistance with this matter. And informal, can I ask for your help with this? Formal: accomplish, and informal: get done. Example: in formal style we can say, our team successfully accomplished the project on time. And informal we say, we got the project done on time. Next. Formal: attend. Informal: go to. Example: informal we say, I will attend the conference next week. And in informal we can say, I'll go to the conference next week. Informal: inquire. And in informal, ask about. Example: formal: I'm inquiring about the availability of the product. And informal: I'm asking about the availability of the product. Informal: obtain. And in informal, get. For example, informal we say, we need to obtain permission before proceeding. And in informal style we say, we need to get permission before proceeding. Next. Informal we say convey. And in informal style we say tell. Example: formal: please convey my regards to your family. Informal: please tell your family I said hi. Formal: collaborate. Informal: work together. For example, informal situation: we should collaborate on this project for better results. An informal situation: we should work together on this project for better results. Next. Formal: depart. And informal: leave. For example, formal: the train will depart at 9 a.m. and informal: the train will leave at 9 a.m. Formal: utilize. And informal: use. For example, formal: we need to utilize our resources efficiently. And informal: we need to use our resources efficiently. Example: formal: commence. And informal: start. Example: formal: the meeting will commence at 9 a.m. in informal way. The meeting will start at 9 a.m. Next. Formal: endeavor. And informal: try. Example: formal: he endeavored to solve the difficult puzzle. And informal: he tried to solve the difficult puzzle. Formal: proceed. Informal: go ahead. For example, formal English: please proceed with your presentation. And informal English: go ahead with your presentation. The last one. Formal English, establish, and informal English, set up. For example, formal English. The organization plans to establish a new branch in the city center. And informal English. The organization plans to set up a new branch in the city center. Note that the use of this informal vocabulary is more appropriate in everyday or informal conversation situations, such as with friends, family, or close coworkers. Informal situations, such as at work or in official letters, it is preferable to use appropriate formal vocabulary. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly appreciate your support and the fact that you've chosen to be a part of this community. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.